Hey guys, it's Yan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new MAC products for you, and these are all from the what's it called? What is this called? I have no idea what this collection is called, but it's the Sakura Cherry Blossom collection that they came out with this spring. If you know me, I am a huge fan of cherry blossoms. They are my favorite flower. So yeah, I've used most of the products to complete my makeup today. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look. Okay, so to review the actual products, I first went into the cushion foundation that they came out with. So this is their Lightful C Plus Coral Grass cushion foundation. It's the one that they have in the silver packaging, I think. They just repackaged into this cherry blossom design. Unfortunately, this collection only carries 2 shades. If you buy this cushion initially from the store, they only have the shades Light and Light Plus. I'm using Light Plus, which is the darkest shade in this collection. That's fucked up. But you can always switch it up, because like you can just pop this out and just replace it with another cushion foundation that fits and the one that actually matches your shade. So the box comes with the foundation and also one refill. Pretty good for money. I would say this foundation has a medium to high coverage, so it's definitely buildable. I think most cushion foundations, including this one, it's more on the dewy side. So applying that, it makes your face really like uplifted, really radiant. I do really like the coverage and how it looks on my face, but I definitely need to set this with a setting powder because it's getting so warm in Hong Kong and it's really humid outside, and I practically have to set everything on my face. But I'll see how this wears on my face because I haven't tried their Lightful C Plus cushion ever, so we'll see how it lasts throughout the day. For face powder or highlighter, they have two shades. The pink blushy one, it's called Fleur Real, and the bronzy highlighty one, it's called Spring Bling. I use this pink shade as more of a highlighting blush on my face, so it's the pink that you can see. It has a sheer layer of glitter on it, that's why you can see like all the purples and like the gradient effect. That's the shimmer. It doesn't really affect the application, and if you don't like that, you can always just dust it off and then go into the product. To me, this is more of a bronzer. I definitely cannot highlight with this because it's way too dark. For my skin tone right now, it's a bit intense, but I still do like the color. It really warms up my face really well. I think this would look better when I have tanner skin in the summer. It feels pretty powdery, so let me swatch it. This is Fleur Real. On the swatch it doesn't really look like anything, but on my face, when I apply it with a brush, it actually looks way better than this swatch. You can't really see it from my hand, can you? Spring Bling. It has more of a golden tone to it and a lot of shimmer, obviously. And the print on these two compact is amazing. It's everything Cherry Blossom. They also came out with a Cherry Blossom Fix Plus. I'm like, yes, finally. I do like MAC Fix Plus. Like always, the spray is really fine. You can see that the mist is really fine, and it does have a slight cherry blossom scent to it. It's nothing too overboard, which I like, thank goodness. I sneeze at everything that's heavily fragranced. In this collection, I also got two lipsticks. They have like a few shades in their lip glasses and a few shades in their bullet lipstick, but unfortunately most lip glasses were sold out on the first day, so I couldn't really get my hands onto any of them. Well, not the ones that I like anyway. I got two shades from the bullet lipstick. One is called High Fructose, like fructose but fructose, and the other is called Wagasa Twirl. No idea what Wagasa means. I'm currently wearing Wagasa Twirl on my lips. This is more of a cool tone pink with like a bit of mauviness in it. It's High Fructose, it's more like a coral brighter pink. A lot of the shades from this range is pretty light. I do have more pigmented lips. I don't really like shades that are too highlighty or too light. These two just seem like the right shades for me. Both of these lipsticks are matte. It's just really like other MAC bullet lipsticks. It's really creamy. I would say it performs good. It's not like amazing, but it's good. My overall thought on this collection, I do like a lot of the products. I wouldn't say all of these are like amazing good, but they are pretty good and I do enjoy using these, and I totally get the whole collection. It's really light, pinkish, and really dewy on the skins because a lot of things have like shimmer in them. And I also applied a bit of the pink highlighty blush on my inner corners. I'm not sure if you can see it, it's just really subtle, but it just helps brighten my eye makeup just a tad bit. So yeah, that's my thoughts on all of these products. I absolutely love their packaging. For the price, they're MAC products, so they're like in their standard price range. It's not like insanely expensive. I think it's worth a try if you do like the shades. My boyfriend really likes this shade on me. He didn't even know what it was, but he was like, your lips look so good today. I'm like, thanks. Hey guys, I'm so sorry that I forgot to record an outro for my video. This is actually the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, like my video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my face. Comment anything you want to tell me or any questions that you want to ask, and stay tuned because at the end I got a bit of bloopers for you guys to make up for my mistake. Bye. My hair looks crazy. Well, okay. They are my favorite.